Welcome back. In this video, I'll be walking you through square of numbers. At the end of this video, you should be able to square any given number without calculator. Subscribe to our video channel, Further Solutions Academy. Okay, it's very common in mathematics, which is square of a number. Let's start. Before we move on to this, before we talk about numbers, let's use expansion to perform some expression. I have a plus b squared. Now, definitely, if I have this type of number, I will have what? A squared plus 2ab plus what? B squared. Okay, I can use this particular system to get any square of a given number. Okay, for instance, let's start with 12. Simple to complex. 12 squared. This is what? 1 is A, B, 2 is what? Is B. Now it means 1 squared, first stand, second stand is what? 2 bracket of what? A, which is 1, bracket of 2. The last stand will be what? 2 squared. 1 square is 1. 2 times 2 times 1 is 4. 2 square is what? Is 4, which is 144. Now, the same way, if I have 17 square, which is my 1 is A, my 7 is B. Now, 1 squared, stand 1, 2 bracket of 1, bracket of 7, stand 2, and the last one will be what? 7 squared. Now, first number can take beyond 1 digit, but other number below first number can just take only 1 digit. Now, this one will be 1, this one will be 14. That my 14, I will write 1 and 4. This one will be what? 49. 7 squared is 49. I will have 4 and I will have 9. My final answer will be 9. I'm adding up now. This plus this is going to be 8. This plus this is going to be what? 2. That is a 289. Okay. If I have another number like this, let me move on to 27. Okay, 28 square. The same way, I can have what? My A is what? 2, which is 2 squared, first stand. Second stand will be 2, bracket of 2, which is my A, bracket of 8, which is my B. And the last stand will be what? 8 square. Now, which is 4, which is I have 4 times 8 is it will be 32. My 32. Now, 8 squared is 64. I have 64. My final answer will be 4, 8, which is what? 7. That is my final answer. Okay. If I have a number like this, 59 square, it means my A is what? 5. My B is 9. Okay, which is 5 squared, first stand. Second stand is 2 bracket of what? 5, bracket of 9. The last stand will be what? 9 square. Now, this one will be what? 25. Which is, the next one will be what? This times 90, that will be 90. I will have my 9, I will have 0. The next one will be what? 81. I will have my 8, I will have my 1. My final answer will be 1, 8, which is going to be 14. I have 4, plus 1 is going to be what? 2 plus 1 is going to be what? 3. It means 3,481. Now, okay. If I have a number like this, okay, I have a number like close to 100. Okay, let me say I have 99 square. 99 square is also the same way. My A is what? My A is 9, my B is 9. It means I'll be having 9 squared, bracket of 2 bracket of 9, bracket of 9, and that will be second stand. The last time will be what? 9 squared. Now, this one will give me 81. You can take more than one digit. Now, 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 2, it will give me 162. Now, 162. I have 62. I have 162. That will be 16. I have 2. Now, the next one will be 9. 9 square is 81. I will have 8. I will have 1. My final answer will be 1. This plus is going to be what? Is 0. Which is, I have 1 again. Which is 7, 8. Which is what? 9. My final answer will be what? 9,801. 9,801. Now, let's move on a bit. Okay. If I have a number like this, I have a number of 1, let me talk about 102. This is no more, they are more than 2. They are now 3. How do I do this particular number? I will categorize. This should be my A. This one should be my B. This one will be my what? My A. Now, the same way, but this time around, at this third, it will be like this. The first number, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, what are we doing? 1 square will be here. Any number here will be square. Okay, followed by what? This number now, it will be 2, bracket of 1, bracket of 0, 2. The last one will be what? 2, which is 2 square. Now, I have 1. 2 times 1 times 2, which is going to be 4. Now, it's 2 digits. It means I will represent other number by what? Is 0, 4, which is that my 4, because it must be 2. The last number will be what? 4. 4. 2 square is 4, which is 0, 4. My final answer. That is my final answer. Now, okay, let me give more example on this. If I have 209, for instance, 209. 209, the same way, I can call this one B, I will call this one A, which I have the first number squared, 1, 2, because of 3 numbers there. Now, 1, 2. Now, it means 2, bracket of 2, bracket of 9, which is 09. The last one will be what? 009 square. Now, my final answer will be 4. This is going to be what? 4. 4 times 9 will be 36. Yes, 36. Now, I have what? My 36. Now, the next one will be what? 9 square is 81, which is my answer. That is my final answer. Once this number is beyond 2 digits, it's going to be flow. Let me give you an example of that, of such. Okay, if I have a number like this, okay, I have a 2. Let me repeat this number: 209. The first number will be 2, which is 4. Okay, the second one will be 2 multiplied by what? 2 multiplied by 2, which is what? 4. 4 times 2 is going to be 4 times 9 is going to be what? It's going to be 36. Now, because of 1, 2, which is my 9 square, which is this, it's going to be what? 81. Now, it's going to be 81. Okay. Okay, let's move on. It means 43,681. 43,681, which is 209 times, square. 209 square. 209 square. Okay. Now, I think once it's 2, the number after will be what? 2 digits. Let me look for a number like, okay, let me look 707. I mean 807 square. The same way. This one will be what? My first, which is called 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, the first one is this. The second one will be 2 bracket of what? 8 bracket of what? 7. And the last one will be what? 07 square. Now, the first one will be what? 64. Abi? Yes, 64. The next one is what? 7 times 8. 7 times 8 will give me what? That will be 52. Abi? 7 times 8, which is 8, 7, 49 plus 8. That will be 56. Now 56. Now 56. 56 times 2, which will give me, that will be 50, 50, 50, that will be 100, CC, that will be 12. That will be 112. Now 112, because of what? This is 112. I will have my 1 and I have my 1 2. I mean 1 1 2. Yeah. Now this is my 112. 1 will drop because of I have only stand for what? 2 stand here. If it is more than 2 stand, I will move on to. Now 7 square is going to be what? 49, which is my 49. My final answer will be what? 6 5 2 4 9, which is what? 651,254. I mean, we have 249. Okay. I think let me give you another method of doing this that won't stress you much. Okay. For instance, I'll be using the word deviation here, but let me just try to give you something like, okay, I have let me first start with 27. Now I can decide to do my 27 like this, 27 square, which I have 27. I will draw up, I will draw back. Now if I draw up, I can run towards 30. If I made minus, I think I added 3 to this one, give me 30. I take away 30 from this one, which is going to give me 24. I will multiply the two numbers together and play around with 3. Now this times this, which is 6 and 12, which is 72. 72 is 0, which is 720. Now 3 square, which is 3 times 3 is 9. I'll add up 9 like this, which is what? 927. Now I'm using the power of division there. Okay, let me move on to another number. Let me look for a number that are very big. Okay, let me use 89 square. I want to use this particular method. What I will do is 89. Take away. I can take away. Okay, let me play around with 11. If I play around, take away, add 11 to this one, it will run to 100. I'm running towards 100 this time around. Add 11. Take away 11 from this one. It's going to be what? It's going to be 78. 78. Now I'm playing around with 11. That'll be 11. Yeah. Okay. Which it will give me what? 7800. What am I playing with? 11. 11 times 11 is what? 121. 121. My final answer will be 1298. That's my final answer. Which is 89 square is what? 7,921. 7,981. Okay. Let me look for a number that I okay. Let me just play around with okay, let me use 209, the same of 209 square. The same way, which I will have 209. I can run towards 200. I think it's good to run. Let me run towards 200. 200. And once I will have 218. I subtract, which is I'm playing around with what? With 9. With 9. Square them, which is this one will be 4. This one will be 2 times 8 16, which is what? 3 6 is 0 0. Okay, I will now have 9 times 9 is what? 81, which is what? 1 1 1 8 6 3 4. That is my final answer. That is my final answer. Okay, you can also any number you want. Okay, let me look for a number that's very close, or okay, 1000. Okay, let me play around with 1000 to okay 1000 1010. Let me play around 1010 square. 1010 square. Now the same way I will have 1010. I can play around with 10. Okay, let me make a way. Okay, let me try and play. Let me play around with 10. Take away 10, I will have what? 1000. Add 10 to this one. It will be what? 1020. What am I playing with? I'm playing with 20. I mean on 1000. I mean 10 rather. Now, which is going to be what? 1 0 2 0 1 2 3. That is mine. Now, what am I playing with? I'm playing with what? 10. 10 times 10, which is 10 square, it will be what? 100. My final answer will be 1 0 1 0 2 0 1. That is my final answer. Now, there are some numbers that are very simple to square. Example, the number of 3. 3 square is surely on 9. Now, with the help of 3, I can also do a lot of things. Okay, if I have 33 square, for instance, now the number will surely end with 9. Also, the number will be followed by what? Okay, it will start by 1 and okay 0 8. I'm taking away this 1 from this 8. That is my final answer. Now, okay, if the number is 333 square, for instance, 333 square, I don't need much problem. What I need to do is that I will surely 1 1 1 okay 8 8 9. That is my final answer. Now, what am I playing with? Any number like this, 3333. Now, count the number of 3 and take away from that. Okay, how many 3 are we having? We're having 3 3 here now. Therefore, I will have 1 1, which is 2 1. 0 will partition it. And the number before that, 9, which is what? 8 1 2, which is that 2. And end by what? 9. Okay, let me look for a number that are very even calculator may not be of help to. 1 2 3 4 5 whole square, which is what? What I need to know is how many 3 am I having? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. That is 1 0 1 2 3 4. And what? 9. That is my final answer. Now, you can do that if it is 3 of 9. What you have 1 of what? 1 1 in what? In 8 places is 0 and 8 in 8 places end by what? By 9. That is my final answer. Okay, let me also throw a light a bit on the number of 1 square. 11 1 1. If I have 1 square, it means I have no problem. I will just have 1 2 1. If it is 1 1 1 square, it will be what? 1 2 3 1. If it is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 square, what I will just use that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I'm having 7 now. 1 2. This one will be having 2. Sorry, this one will be having 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 6 7. And now count back. 6 5 4, 3, 2, 1. That is my final answer. Now, that one is, once you move, at that point it will descend back. It will descend back. Now, let's also move on to the number end by what? Number end by 8. I mean by 5. Normally, 5 squared is always 25. Now, any number that ends with 5, you can use this approach. The number will surely end with what? 5. For instance, if I have 15 now. Now, this number will end by 5. The number, which is 1, times the number after it, which is what? 2 after it. 2 times 1 is what? 2. That is my final answer. That is 225. If I have 25 squared, for instance, which is what? 25. That is my ending. What is next is 2 times the number after 2, which is what? 3, which is 6. Now, if I have 75, for instance, square. Now, it means what? It will end by 25. 25. The number that will be 4. 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is what? 56. Which is what? 50 what? 6. That is my final answer. And so on and so forth. Okay, if I have another number like this, 105 square, I don't need problem. What I will just have, it will surely end with 5. That will be number after 10 is what? 11. Which is what? 1, 1 is 0. That is my final answer. It means 11,025. Okay, if I have 2, if I have 2, 2, 5 square, I don't need to stress myself. It will surely end with what? 25. Number after it is what? 23. It means 22 times what? 23. Which I have 6. That will be 6, 4. 6 plus 4, that will be 10. I will have 1. I keep 1. Which I have 4, 5. That will be 504. Okay, 504. My answer will be what? 506 rather. 506. Which is, my answer is what? 50,625. Now, that is the number end with what? With 5. Now, with the help of this, we can do a lot of things without, we can square any number without calculator. Okay, if I have a number like this, try this, let's see, and get back to us on our comments. Drop your comment on our channel. We surely respond to it, or you email us. Now, if I have a number, try this and get back to us. Okay, I have 71. Okay, 23 squared. 721 squared. 435 squared. 435 squared. 1,782 squared. Once again, let me use another very, very big number. 63 all what? Squared. And okay, let me use a number like 1, 2, 3 square. 1, 2, 3. Let me just 125 125 square. Do this, attempt this, and drop your comments on our video channel. Thank you for watching This is Further Solutions Academy. There are more of this. Thank you.